So the big move by BTC this morning above 72K, I think has reignited a lot of the bulls. People that have been sitting on the sideline, it really seems like they're starting to dive back in, and we're seeing charts green throughout the space. And what we're seeing is this rise from the dead when it comes to ADA. The reason I say that is obviously we talked about, ADA being dead yesterday, like so many people think. And the funny thing is it's one of those where a lot of people are going to get left looking foolish at the end of this. This move by BTC, it's moving a lot of charts to their breakout points, and this is ADA included. You guys can see that ADA right now is right on the edge of this falling wedge. I actually hadn't seen this on here, but right now we are in a falling wedge. We didn't quite reach the top back here. We have a slight breakout here, but it's a big falling wedge is what it is. Now, the great thing is if we can get enough push, this may be where ADA starts to get a little volatile. We may again try to push to the top of our liquidity here. We may get into our gap. And really, realistically, the target for this is this range right here. It's about 30% from whatever this breakout point is. And that's if we're just using this spot right here where we actually tap the top of our trend. If it's back here, it's even bigger. But this would be a move back up into that 80-cent range, which would be obviously very, very exciting for ADA. So know that this potential does lie here. Now, what we have to watch for is, again, if BTC is showing a little bit of a fake out. I mean, it's showing strength right now. These are just the 4-hour candles. So you can see over the last 8 hours, I mean, it's made a very, very strong move of what is that? About 4%. That's a lot of movement for BTC. So I would not be surprised by pullbacks. Now, here's the thing. If everybody begins to wake up and shorts continue to try to pile leverage positions on top of here, we could have this catalyst where we just continue breaking through and breaking through and breaking through, kind of like what we saw. What was this? All the way back here in early March, where we just cut through all these shorts. Actually, what we saw all through March and late February and just consistently on the way up, like we've talked about a bunch of times, right? That potential still lies there. Now, the great thing about this is when BTC starts making this move, this is when ADA likes to make its move as well. This is when we like to see a little bit of momentum here. Now, again, if you guys have not, been using my indicator, you guys are missing out. Okay. Simply put, right now, just this move that ADA has made since this indicator flashed on here is currently a 7.5% move. Not a humongous move, but a move nonetheless. And what we're, I think, very close to seeing is this bullish momentum change in terms of ADA. You guys can see what that's resulted in the past. Big moves to the upside, 41%. You guys can see even back here, another strong move as well. Bullish momentum there, 99%. So as soon as this flips, as soon as we get this confirmation, I think it's probably going to be off to the races in terms of ADA. This coin that is dead seems to be coming alive. We'll call it a zombie coin now, guys. So I appreciate you as always. This week could be very big for ADA, could be very big for alts in general. And this may be where we finally approach that prior all-time high of $3 trillion in terms of the global market cap of crypto. So I appreciate you guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts here. Watch for fake outs as well. That is possible because, again, we got here in a hurry. But have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.